Hey, ever thought about adding your name or a secret message right on your Samsung lock screen? Yep, that little text you sometimes see at the bottom. You can totally customize that. Let me show you how. It's super easy and only takes a minute. So first, go ahead and open up the settings on your Samsung phone. Once you're in there, scroll down a bit and tap on Lock Screen. Now on that page, look for the option that says Edit Lock Screen. You'll usually find it down at the bottom. Tap on that, and it'll take you to a preview of your current lock screen setup. At the very bottom of the screen, you'll see a button that says Plus Contact Information. Tap on that, and here's where the fun begins. You can type whatever you want. Maybe your full name, a short quote, an emergency contact, or even just a funny message to make you smile every time you unlock your phone. Once you're happy with what you've typed, just tap Done. And that's it. Now every time you wake up your phone, you'll see your custom message right there on the lock screen. Totally personalized, just the way you like it. If this little trick made your phone feel more you, don't forget to like the video and hit subscribe for more tips like this. Got you in the next one.